Now we're going to do the taping for plantar fasciitis. Typically, it's going to manifest with pain around the heel or in the plantar surface of the foot. I have the client face down and their toes are just in a stretched position in dorsiflexion to place a stretch on the area. And what we're going to do is we're going to tape one large eye strip on this area and then across the area of pain. So you'd want to take the tape and you'd want to rip the top portion. You want to take the tape and not contact it too much. And what we're looking to do here is create an anchor. So we're going to place the tape down right here and we're just going to solidify like that. What you can do then is place your hand down like this and then pull the tape up slightly to break the paper. And then what you're going to do is pull the paper back like this until you get to the top. And then you're going to anchor down, go 100% stretch, bring it back down to about 80, and then you're going to lay the tape down, place it like this, and then you're going to remove the tape from the top here, the paper, sorry, and then you're just going to lay that down to create the anchor. Now you can conform the tape by using your fingertips around the Achilles here. And then you'd want to heat activate the glue to set the tape. You can do this either with the paper backing, or you can also use just your hand, which also has a little bit of warmth, which is nice. Okay, so we've done about 80% stretch here to support this area. Then what you want to do is over the area of pain, which is typically going to be in the heel or the plantar surface. Here, we're going to say it's right around here in the heel. What you can then do is take a smaller eye strip, and then you're just going to tear it right down the middle for this one. Then you're going to take the tape, you're going to take the paper, pull it back, and then with this one, you're going to want to hold it like this with your thumb supporting. And then you're going to do about 80% stretch, so 100% stretch. Pull back, go to 80, then place it over the area. And then what you can do is solidify that tape down by pressing it down like that. And then on the anchor points, you're just going to remove the paper like that, place it down, remove the paper from the other side, place it down. So that's taping for plantar fasciitis and heel pain.